Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, if it is the first time that you're clicking on my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like this video, comment on it, and tell me what you think. Tell me, guys, I really like interactions, so just tell me what it is that you have to say about this video. And also turn your post notification bells on so you'll be notified as soon as I post another video. Okay guys, good. Now, as you can see in the title down below, today I'll be unboxing some hair things. I am super excited. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. I am really excited because I like hair stuff. If you know me and you've been watching my videos, you know that I am a hair person. Yes. Okay, so I have 3 things here today and I'm gonna open all 3. One of them is a gift and the other 2 things I bought for myself. So I'm gonna show you what I bought for myself first, and then I'm gonna show you the gift. Anyways, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys today is this flat iron that I bought for myself. I bought this flat iron because I wanted a flat iron that would give me a sleek and shiny look. I had a flat iron in the past, but I can't seem to find that flat iron because that flat iron was a gift, and hence I can't find it because I don't know where the person bought it, or I don't remember much about it, but I just remember that it used to flat iron my hair so well, and I wanted something like that. Even though I have a flat iron now that I'm using, it's not as good. So I bought this one and I got a very good deal because when I looked at it, it was like 2 flat irons in it. And guys, you wouldn't even believe the price. If me telling the price, and I'm not gonna believe me, so it not make no sense me telling the price. So let's look at the flat iron first, and I'll ask you guys to price this flat iron in the comment section down below. Alright, so this is the box. I think it's really cute. Oh, I opened it before. I haven't used it yet, but I opened it because if you realize I have in here and things that I don't get the chance to use it as yet, but as soon as I use it, I'll show you guys, you know, maybe in another video. I don't know yet, but yes, let's open this. Box well sophisticated, so you know. So this is it. Ooh. You see that? So it comes with 2 flat iron. You see, even better, you guys just guess and tell me the price for this flat iron down in the comment section down below. Alright, so it comes with 2 flat iron in it. So this small one for my edges and this bigger one for my hair. What? Ooh, fancy. So it have the like a mirror thing in it, which is really nice. I guess this is what will give off the shiny, sleek look. It says sleek and shiny toolkit. Yeah, so can't wait to try that. And it comes with a smaller flat iron, and this is for like the smaller parts, my edges. Or you know, maybe if I want to travel with a little flat iron, yes, not much things to flat iron, I can just go with this. Yes, and it's really cute. Oh, and guess what? It comes with a bag. I never see the bag. I was just looking at the top, you know. It comes with a bag. And of course it's insulated as well to bring, because you know it's heat item. Even though I'm going to let it cool off before I even put it in the bag. But nice flat iron. Really nice. So this is yet another collection, another thing for me to, you know, do my hair. I try to invest in these things, guys, because I like to do my hair and I need to have the tools to do my hair as well. So I try to invest in stuff like these. So yes, this is the first one that I bought. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys some bundles that I bought. These are from Amazon. I was so surprised about the quality of the hair, knowing that it came from Amazon and it was so cheap. It wasn't expensive at all. This again, you guys can guess the price in the comment section down below. So it comes with a closure. Alright, so let me tell you the inches. The closure, hold on. Okay, so it's a 10 12 and 14 inch, and the closure itself is 10 inches. So it is like 3 bundles and a closure. Now let me show you guys the texture of this here. Okay, sorry about the noise with the bag. I have to try to minimize that. So this is one bundle, and the texture is so good. Yes, really, 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 really good. At first I was like, you know, maybe them too short, but this is good. Texture of this is good. And this is the 10 inch. This is the 10 inch. Really nice. And these are Brazilian body waves. I don't know, I like body wave here. I really like body wave, so I bought these, and these are body waves. So you guys can guess the price for this in the comment section down below. Like, guys, it's really, 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 really inexpensive. I was so surprised. The cost and the quality, it's like good quality for the price that I paid. It's just really good. And yeah, that's about it for these are the two things that I bought for myself. Now, guys, this, I am still in awe and I'm still shocked. So this right here, you know, before I even open this box, guys, ladies, let me just speak to you for a minute. Please get you somebody who pays attention to the things that you like, and pay attention to, like, you know, details and things that you sit down and you speak about. This person actually listens to you, all of them stuff there. Because I'm telling you guys, when I saw this was supposed to be a Christmas present, by the way, but you know, there are so much things happening with shipping and handling and stuff like that. There was like, all of these prices were having some delays where the packages were concerned. So this reached late, and then the shipping company took a while. So that's the reason why it just got here yesterday. We picked this up yesterday. No, I was so excited, but I still couldn't open it before I show it to you guys, because I already know what is in the box, because I got the picture on Christmas Day, because it was supposed to be a Christmas gift, but it was not here in person. No, as I was saying, it really pays to have someone who listens to you and, you know the things that you like and stuff like that, because trust me, it really feels good to get something that you have wanted for a little while, but it's just that you have been holding back to purchase it for yourself because so much has been happening. But I'm gonna show you guys what's in this box. Hold on. And the scissors are eyes. Oh, well taped down to you. Ta-da! Yes, guys, this is a wig starter set. I've been wanting one of these for a while now, and I was like, you know, I want one of these because I want to learn how to make wigs. I want to, you know, I want to expand, and I want to do things like this. So, you know, I got this as a gift. I am just so in awe. So let's just see what's inside of it. Oh, and I got something else. What is this? It's a hair polish. It's a hair polish. That's good. Anyways, let's open it. So this is the canvas, the wig canvas. I let them call it. Yeah. All right. So this is the head. And it comes with two wig cap. I guess these are to, you know, we'll start the process. 2 wig caps. It comes with a brush, foundation brush. I guess this is to put the foundation under the wig so it can match my skin. This is a crochet needle. You get a crochet needle. I got a crochet needle in it as well. I got a tail comb. It is a full set. Oh, this is the stand to put it on. You know, when I saw it, I'm gonna see if it can go on my ring light stand because I don't have a wig stand as yet. So I'll soon put it on it on that for you. So I'm gonna just put it right here. What is this? Oh, these are some clips, duckbill clips. I guess to clip the wig so it can hold on the stand while I'm doing my thing, you know. This is got to be glue styling. This is the glue to style it. It's like a gel kind of thing. Yes, really. I got to be glue. Y'all know what's up. I got a needle and a thread. The needles are in it, and that's thread. What else? And I get some clips, wig clips. So I'm gonna have these to sew under the wig cap. Yes, so I don't know the thing go already, so I am already super excited. And I have these here, so I might make a wig. I might make a wig for the first time. I might make a wig, and I'm gonna show you guys that as well, so just stay tuned for them videos to come. And yes, that's it, you know, that's it. Finally. Okay guys, so unfortunately it cannot hold on my tripod stand. I thought it could hold on the tripod stand, but it can't hold. Can you imagine? Anyway, so, or maybe it can hold, you know, but I don't know how to put it on. So I am definitely going to have to work with it on my table here. It's gonna be a little bit weird working on my table because, you know, I want to do the whole 360. I want to be able to go right around the hair, but I'm gonna have to work with it as it is right now until we get a stand. Okay, until we get a wig stand. So stay tuned for the other videos to come, guys, and I'm really happy that I got this. I'm really excited, guys. If you know me, you just know I like anything that has to do with hair. I think I can just quickly body it because it's just me. You know, when I look at something and I want to do it, I tend to just, especially when it comes on to hair. So stay tuned because I'm not going to be making wigs, okay? I'm going to be making wigs, child. So maybe in my next video, I don't know what my next video is as yet, but you never might know. See, I have hair. I know I have a wig thing. I might just make a wig. I might just make a closure wig. Anyway, stay tuned because I am going to come back and show you guys me making my wig. Yes, me making my wig. Because, you know, this might lead to somewhere, you know, you never might know. You might see my name out there on a website and I'm like, oh, me? Look at me. And you guys that are here with me today are going to be witnesses of this. Okay, we're aiming towards something, and I think that we're going to achieve it. So just stay tuned for the videos that I have coming for you guys. Until next time, I want to take care of yourself and take care of the family. Until next time, bye.